So I would like to share with you a cool product, a gift set actually, that I was gifted from Merit Beauty, and this is their Fête Edition makeup kit. They described it as a limited edition set of essentials for the holiday parties you're looking forward to, and the ones you're not. So there's 5 pieces to this set. It retails for $75, which is still a steal compared to each of these individually, what they'd be on their site. So let me show you what all comes in here. So first off, we have, let me get this out of here so I can show it to you. While it is a sample size, this is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So it is like a dual or biphase serum where you shake it up, since, you know, it's like that. You do this before you use it, mixes it all up, like so many other products on the market. Like, this is nothing crazy. And then you get the benefits of both parts of it in your skincare. So you have that. You have a little mini travel size of the Merit Clean Lash in Perfect Black. I actually have a full size of this that was, I think, also gifted to me by Merit, that I did a review on last summer, so if you want to see that, go click back through my videos. I do recommend it. I use it a lot, so having one to throw in my purse too is going to be fabulous. And of course, the showstopper here, we have their signature lip lightweight lipstick in Aperitif. So it is this beautiful holiday red. I mean, it doesn't have to be for the holidays. You could wear it whenever, but it is like a classic Hollywood red. I am in love with that. And I love their lipstick formula. I do have another Merit lipstick. Actually, that I got from a beauty box, not even from them. But I really like their formulas. And then you get the Merit Day Glow Highlighting Balm in Bounce, which, let me open that up to show you, is this really, really pretty, like, champagne gold kind of a highlighter shade, which is so nice, and I cannot wait to dip into. And finally, the last one in here. This is the, where is it? The Brow 1980 Natural Volumizing Brow Pomade. So this, since it's just clear, can work on any hair color. Perfect for getting those soapy brows that are still so trendy and everything. But yeah, so honestly, it's a good little kit. Again, 75 bucks. If you use my affiliate link, which is linked down in the description below, helps me get a little kickback, but also you get a discount as well. And you get free shipping if you spend $40. It doesn't have to be on this. It could be on anything from the website. $40, free shipping. And if it's your first order, you do get the free bag, the signature Merit bag, which it may not look that big, but I swear it's like the Mary Poppins bag of purses. I am always shocked at how many things I can fit in that bag, and I didn't think I would even use it that much when I first got it, but oh my god, it has become like my go-to purse, and I didn't expect it to. Like, occasionally even, like, going to the library, like, I've been able to fit, like, several books in there to tote to and from. Like I said, it doesn't look that big, but it totally is, so even if nothing else, do it for the purse, right? But yeah, so, honestly, a big thank you to Merit for choosing me again to send a little gift set to, and as always to all of you guys, hopefully you can get some goodies for yourself. Again, the affiliate link is down below in the description, and as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description too. So anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.